Hey guys, Dalton with Jaspertronics, and today we're going to be taking a look at taking the lid off of this Epson Home Cinema 1060. It takes an ELPLP 96. This is going to be very similar to any of these little Epson projectors that take the ELPLP 96. They all have kind of a similar setup. The reasons you might want to do this is when taking this off, you're also taking off this back here, and that's going to give you access to this intake fan that sits right here, and cleaning that out can definitely help restore these and give them a little bit of life. So let's take a look at this and let's get started. Okay, so really the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to flip it over first, because most of the screws are going to be on the bottom. They take a kind of a, I think it's a number 1 on these. It's either a 1 or a 0. I don't remember off the top of my head, but anyways, smaller screwdriver, not a super large one. And we'll start with this one right here. And that's going to be most of the silver screws off the bottom. Well, all of them for me. It looks like I'm missing my middle screw here and this bottom screw right here, which can happen whenever you're dealing with used units that are being sent to you and things like that. This is an inoperable unit that was given to us by a customer. You know, we get a lot of these, and sometimes they miss a few screws, and that's okay. I like getting these in. They're great for education and making these little videos. So on the bottom we've got these 2 black screws. That's going to take a slightly bigger screwdriver than the other. I can't remember which size it is. There we go. Alright, so that one was wanting to stick in there. You can just kind of get a flat head up in there and pops right out. Not a big deal on that. Alright, but that is all the screws from the bottom. So we're going to flip it over and we're going to look at the top now. The first thing to do is we're just going to pop this little cover off right here, and we're going to pop this cover off right here. Alright, so on these units you don't actually have to take the lamp out. So what we're going to do now is we've got this. Out. And we're going to go ahead and pull this filter. Okay, so the last thing to do, or look at really, is, oh, that was closed, is to look at these screws right here. This is also part of this back cover that's kind of holding it in place, and that is also holding this cover in place. So this back cover needs to come off, so let's just go ahead and get these few screws out here. Sorry about the camera angle. I'm going to get close and personal with my screwdriver for a second. Now this should just pop right out. There we go. Alright, and then the final screw. Right there. Just one more silver screw. Okay, and with that, the lid should just pop right off. Alright, perfect. Alright. That unplug there. It's pretty easy. This is just a little ribbon cable right here. You just pull these 2 little tabs up on the side. It's real easy to grab them from both sides. And just pop it right up, and that comes right out. Alright, and then here you have it. This is the inside of the unit. You can very easily see this intake fan now, get that cleaned out, get the dust blown out. You'll have to pull the lamp, of course, to get that taken care of. But yeah, this is how you get the top taken off of it, and this is how you access the inside of these smaller Epson units. So definitely thank you guys for taking a watch. I really appreciate it. It super helps the channel. If you could leave a like, share a comment if you like. Maybe you're having an issue with your own unit, got a couple of questions, we can definitely help you out. So thanks again, guys. We'll see you in the next one, and stay awesome. Later.